Hi there and welcome back to my channel Scrap and Coffee. Today I'm here with another project share. It's my Home Again album. So I've been working on this mini album over the past 2 months on and off, and I'm finally finished. I'm ready to show you, and I'm so glad that I am because I really love this album. I've used the Home Again collection by Carta Bella, designed by Jen Allison, and I really love this collection. I've used quite a few of it. I will show you in another video everything that I had and what I was able to use. It's a landscape direction album that measures 7 by 9.5 on the cover, and the spine is, I think, 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. So it's for me, it's quite a large album, not so wise in size-wise, but in everything. I did something else on the cover, and I will be completely honest with you. When I look at it from a distance, I really love it. When I look at it from up close, I'm not so sure. I don't know. I just made a standing up piece, like you can see here, and I just attached it to the cover. I'm not sure how I feel about this, but when you look at it like this, it looks pretty awesome. And also when I look at it from a distance, it looks really good. So I do have a video on how I've made this piece if you want to make it as well. So it's acetate, and I've put a 6x4 cut apart behind it. And I also had the tags that was part of the collection. It's a stitch tag die that I've used in several sizes all over the album. I've wrapped the spine, placed a little chipboard piece here, and on the back I did this, I believe it's called hexagon in English. I was inspired by Lori from LM's Crafty Creations, one of Country Craft Creations design team members, and I saw this a while back and I really loved the idea, but I never actually tried it. So I thought with this collection, this might be the collection to try it with, and I did, and I really love how this looks. It really shows you all the different pattern papers in the collection. So I think there were 5 or 6 different designs that I really loved and went well together, and yeah, made this back cover from it. And I do have to say it was quite a lot of work, but I think it's worth it. Really love how that looks. Okay, so when we open it up, let's go to the inside. I made 3 pages in this album, but they are all the same in construction. On the inside cover here, I have a pocket here, and I have a pocket here. So this is another tag. You can just use it to journal, or yeah, whatever you like to do with it. This is a 6x4 cut apart, and you can place a photo on the back. I didn't place any extra photo mats in here yet. I just wanted to show you the album as it is. Then here we have 2 flaps that can open up, and there is room for your pictures. They are 3x4 pictures, so they both close. Little chipboard piece here. I've used a lot of the animal dots throughout the album, and I did some scrapbooking in the album, so yeah, I really like that as well. So here we have a pocket with an acetate window. You can place a 3x4 photo in there if you want, or a tag like I did here. And this is also the same pocket, only I didn't use any acetate on there. And here I did a little scrapbooking, you can place a little photo here, and I used some stickers out of the collection. And then this is a flap as well, so it opens up. And here is a lot of room for you. Well, a lot. You can place some photos here. I made a little tuck in piece here, so I placed some smaller tags in there. Smaller photos, you can use it for journaling or some smaller photos. And it's open, so you can still place something underneath there. Then again, more room for your photos, because that's what it's all about, right? We want to place photos in here. Again, I didn't stamp these smaller ones, so you can journal on it as well. You don't necessarily have to use them for a photo if you don't want to. And again, this is all open, so everywhere where something is overlapping photo area, it's open, so you can still place something under there. Here I have a small pocket, so you can place, so I used them on purpose to make some tags to go in there. That's what it's designed for. So and you can place other stuff in there as well, of course, but I think I will be using the tags for journaling or something. Then on the back of that we have a large angled pocket. Again, I have some cutter parts that I backed with cardstock, so you can place a photo on the back. And that will fit in here. You can also do it in the other direction, of course, just how you like it. This is a sticker out of the collection that I've backed with some cardstock, and I made that a tuck space, so you can place something there as well if you want. 6x4 photo area. And then here, this is a pocket, so you can place, 6x4 photos will fit in here in both directions, so that doesn't matter if you have a landscape or a portrait direction. Again, some animal dots just to make it a little, give it a little extras. I've collaged some stickers together here, more photo spots. And then on the back, I have some area for photos. And this was something that I came up with that I thought was just fun. It's a flap and you can place a photo here. I've made a little photo area here, and this is the acetate window. And on the back, I didn't place any pattern paper, but I made a little scrapbook layout here. So, and when you have it like this, well, I didn't stamp it so it's centered in here, but you will see a little bit of the photo underneath there. And I just thought it was fun, a little playful element in the album. And then the pages repeat again. So here I made the acetate window in both the pockets, only here I've made it where if you place something in there, you will see the photo, and here you will always see this little cut apart. And I don't know if you can see it, but I've placed a little heart sticker there, and that's because there was a stain in my cut apart, and I have one more so I can show you right here. That's like an ink stain in the paper, so I couldn't remove it, so I just solved it with a little sticker there. So I've placed some tags in there again. You can place 3x4 photos in there. On the back, little photo spot. I did some collaging of some Enfera and some stickers and placed some animal dots there. Photo area. And more photo area. Place some stickers just to make it a little bit more fun. Again, that pocket with the tags in there. I just love that. This is open again, so. And then that angled pocket again. Again, this is a tuck-in spot, so you can place some photos underneath there if you want. 6x4 cut apart out of the collection. Again, I didn't do anything to the back, so you can place a photo. And of course, you can place way more photos in those pockets. More photo spots. 3x4 cut apart out of the collection. Some animal dots here. Sticker that I've mounted on some cardstock. This is a piece of, I thought it was a 6x4 cut apart, and I just cut it out and I've backed it with some solid cardstock that went with the collection. More photo area. Again, I didn't stamp the smaller one, so you can use it however you like. Didn't make a photo area on this one, I just left it like that. And here again I did some scrapbooking, and in this one I've made a little photo opportunity. And you can see that, I don't know what's called in English, but yeah, that's centered in the window. And then the last page, here I did the window on the bottom pocket. And again, I've made it that if you put something in there, you will still see this cut apart. And here again, pocket, so you can place 3x4 photos in there or something else. Photo area. More photo area. Again, this is open. This is open. Tags in the pocket again. That angled pocket. This is not a tuck-in, so this is glued down completely, just for decoration. Some animal dots. A large cut apart out of the collection. And again, that pocket on the back with. It is an Enfera piece and some animal dots. 3x4 cut apart. Photo opportunity. More photo opportunity, and again we end with that piece with that window. And here again I did a little scrapbook layout using some mixed media on there. I really love doing this. I really feel like it gives it a little extras. And then on the back cover I've made a large pocket. Again, I've placed a little tag in there. Oh, well, this is the largest one that there is in the die collection. And this is a sticker that I've mounted onto some cardstock, a chipboard piece and some animal dots. So made a little collage of that as well. And that's the album. So yeah, it's just one page design, and normally I don't do that, but I really loved doing it for once. It also helps you in decoration. I just made one little mistake, I feel, for myself, because it's dark and I would have wanted it dark, light, dark. That would have been better in my opinion. But I wanted to have the windows in the pockets alternate. So here I have the one on the top, on the second one I have both, and on the last one I have it on the bottom. So yeah, I made that little mistake, but it doesn't look really bad or something, but that's just a little something. I will have tutorials for this album coming up on my channel. So in the next period of time, videos will be coming up for that. So if you don't want to miss anything of it, then please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. You can also hit the notification button, of course, if you don't want to miss if the video is coming out. If you like the album, please feel free to give the video a thumbs up. There is one thing that I want to ask you. I'm thinking about making a storage box for this album because I have quite a lot of paper left. So please let me know if that's something that you would be interested in getting a tutorial for a storage box. And I haven't made up my mind yet if I'm really going to do it, because I have to think about, I have to look critically at my papers, like what is it that I have left and what does the box sizes have to be, and can I make it with what I have left. So but if it's something that you would like to see, please let me know. For now, I want to say thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video.